Dwellers, written by Catherine Follett. Inside a cave, deep in the woods, hidden behind a tangle of vines, there is a small crack in the earth. Inside, a dark passage leads far underground. This is the entrance to a cave. A cave is a large natural hollow space in the ground. At first, a cave might seem lifeless. Few plants grow there. You may not spot any animals in the blackness. Yet, caves are full of bizarre creatures. Caves are made up of 3 main zones. The first is the entrance zone, just inside the cave. It gets light and wind from outside. The second zone is the twilight zone, which is fully inside the cave. It is dim and mostly sheltered from the weather. The third zone is the dark zone, deep inside a cave. It is completely dark, and the temperature stays the same year-round. Animals live in every part of a cave. Each cave animal is adapted to its home. It has special features that help it survive there. Cave visitors. The entrance to a cave gets light and wind from outside. A few shade-loving plants grow here. Some animals may come inside for short times. These animals spend only brief parts of their lives in caves. Birds, raccoons, rodents, mountain lions, and even humans stay in caves. They may take cover from a storm, hide food, or build a den for their young there. Bears and snakes sometimes hibernate or sleep through the winter in warm, dry caves. These animals mostly live outside, but they seek out dark, sheltered caves for short times. They are adapted to life inside and outside a cave. At home in the twilight zone. The twilight zone of a cave is dim and sheltered from the weather. There is not enough light for many plants to grow. Many animals live in the twilight zone, but they go outside each day. These animals spend about half their lives in caves. Bats are famous for living in caves. During the day, bats sleep hanging upside down from a cave's rocky ceiling. Their curved claws and backward-bending knees help them cling to and move across the cave roof. At night, bats fly outside to eat insects, fruit, or nectar. Bats also hibernate and raise their young in caves. They huddle together in massive colonies to keep warm. Bats use echolocation or sound when they fly around in the dark. Echolocation keeps them from flying into objects. It also helps them find prey. Swiftlets are one kind of bird that builds nests on cave walls. During the day, they fly outside to hunt insects. Their eggs and young stay safe from weather and predators. Swiftlet nests are made from saliva because there are no twigs or grass inside a cave. Swiftlets use echolocation inside dark caves. They are adapted to life in the twilight zone. Other cave animals depend on bats and birds. Mounds of bat and bird droppings, or guano, build up on the cave floor beneath nests and colonies. When the guano breaks down into nutrients, some insects, millipedes, and worms feed on it. Then cave spiders and cave beetles hunt the insects. These animals live their entire lives in guano. They are adapted to life in the twilight zone. Life in the dark zone. The dark zone of a cave is completely dark, and the temperature stays the same year-round. Strange creatures live in the complete darkness. These animals spend their entire lives in caves. Salamanders are common in the dark zones of caves. The olm looks like other salamanders, but it's special. Unlike most amphibians, it spends its whole life underwater. The olm has frilly gills on the sides of its head that allow it to breathe there. Some insects, centipedes, and millipedes spend their entire lives in the dark zone. They eat matter that is blown in, washed in, or carried into the cave by flying animals. Glowworms, a kind of insect larva, dangle from the ceiling on sticky silk threads. They make tiny specks of light that lure the flying insects they eat. Some dark zone animals live in underground pools, lakes, or rivers. Cave crayfish, crabs, and shrimp scurry along streams and pools. Animals in the dark zone may look strange or even spooky. Many are blind, and some do not develop eyes at all. They often appear white or transparent because colors are useless in the dark. Without eyesight, cave animals get around by hearing, smell, and touch. They may have extra long legs or antennae to feel their way.